Tandem, gdzie buchówka M. No.
Greetings from Jurmala beach again, but this time from a separate part of the beach called Majori beach that has the most famous building of Jurmala, which is that overgiven a deserted building that was that was like a spa that was established 1904, but now it's for sale, and it has beautiful distinguished architecture and is definitely the landmark of Jūrmala. Of course, apart from the sign that says Jurmala that you have seen at the beginning of this video. So this is Majori beach. It's next to the Majori train station, and I am going to go for a swim, the fourth swim today in the sea. It is now 3:40 p.m. and it is 28 degrees Celsius in the air. It's so hot, and in the sea it's only 10 degrees, so quite chilly. And yeah, the entrance to the sea looks exactly the same over here with a little bit of mud, but that won't stop me from taking another beach adventure here in Jūrmala in Latvia, right? So yeah, yes, let's then find a nice spot to get in and avoid the mud as much as possible. You can see the building again. Alright, now I'm passing by the mud, and there is some red and yellow flag here. Not sure what that means. Maybe that's for the safeguards, but it's very shallow and the sea is super flat anyway. So let's just go in for a quick dip in the Baltic Sea on this 24th of May 2024. Amazing. Look at that. Majori beach, part of Jurmala. And we can also see the building from here as well. The spa, the former spa, currently abandoned and up for sale. So if you want to buy it, now is the time. I'm not really sure why, but the water seems a bit cleaner over here compared to the other parts. All right. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Beach adventures with Chris in Latvia in May. Amazing. And yes, there is also a hotel that you have seen at the beginning, Baltic Beach Hotel, that has very Soviet architecture attached to it. Yeah. Alright, it is still shallow, I'm still walking. I'm also overlooking my backpack in the background, but also I'm very fast as well, if there is a need to go there. Okay, I don't think it gets any deeper here, so we're gonna just take a quick swim here at Majori beach. So let's take a dive. Oh, nice. It was refreshing and it felt a bit warmer than earlier. So nice. Quite okay, quite okay. Alright, cool. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Greetings from Majori Beach, Jurmala in Riga, Latvia. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.